Today we have a rechargeable mini vacuum cleaner, brand new, but it's faulty. When you connect the charger, you can see the charger LED lights up, and after charging for a while, the blue LED turns on when I press the power button, but the machine itself doesn't start. Leave it overnight, the charge drains, and even the blue LED doesn't light. So the problem could be the battery, the motor, something else entirely. Let's open it up, take a closer look, and figure out what's wrong and whether we can fix it. We don't need this. We will work only with this piece. Let's open it. It has some screw. It's opened very easily. Here's our motor. Here is our switch, charging module, battery. The wire is disconnected from the machine, from the board. So we found one problem. Let's fix it first. Then we will see battery. Okay, battery connected. Motor is now connected with the system. Do not. Let's try to check our battery voltage. Battery multimeter in voltage DC. Yes, the battery is dead. 0.194. Have to change the battery. We have some battery is good. 0.1. All of them are good. Now disconnect the old battery. Needs some lead for heat transferring. And here's the negative, positive. Wow. Wow, works. Runs like crazy. Let's assemble it again and see how it performs. Screw this unit again. Blue LED. It has another attachment. Now we can use this as a blower. And that's it. Mini rechargeable vacuum cleaner is now fixed. We replaced faulty battery, soldered the disconnected motor wire, and the machine is working perfectly again. If you enjoyed the repair or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electronics fix. Thanks for watching and see you in the next repair.